Well, good evening and welcome back. Happy Sunday and happy Valentine's Day. A live look over at downtown Corpus Christi. The theme of this weekend's weather right there. Cloudy, cold, and an Arctic blast is continuing to move into the coastal bend tonight, with temperatures expected to plummet in our forecast. Now, temperatures are going to be in the 30s this evening, and we're right about freezing, 32 degrees. And we're going to plummet back into the 20s tonight, tomorrow. And you can see it feels like 31 degrees. The wind chill at 19, dew point at 30, and the north winds at 20 miles an hour. And we're setting up the stage for some frozen precip in the next coming hours. Right now, temperatures across the board: 33 in Robstown, 30 in Mathis, 30 in Beeville, 29 in George West, already in the 20s out in our north and western counties. In the meantime, wind speeds are gusty, 20 to 30 miles an hour over in Flower Bluff, 24 in Port Aransas, and 23 over in Rockport. With the wind speeds and cold air at the surface, you mix that in together and the wind chill. So it feels like temperatures, feels like the teens out there. 19 degrees is what your body is telling you in Corpus Christi. Same thing in Beeville, 20 in Alice, and the teens out in our far western and southwestern counties. Now, we are expecting a winter storm to unfold, and widespread freezing rain, sleet in the forecast later on tonight and lingering into tomorrow morning. In fact, we have winter storm warnings in effect for most of the Lone Star State, if not all of it. And on top of that, we're expecting sub-freezing temperatures, below freezing, and wind chill values as low as 0 degrees. That's not until about late Monday night, early Tuesday, as things slowly clear out. Now you can see, meantime, radar a little busy out across the region. San Antonio and north of I-10 seeing some snowfall. In and around Corpus Christi, things are starting to convert. You can see some frozen precips, some sleet out near Skidmore, Beeville, east of B County. And we're already receiving reports of frozen bridges, ice, and accumulated ice accumulation north and west of Corpus Christi. You can see over in Mathis, Orange Grove, along Texas 359, some sleet and accumulating freezing rain. And this is the trend going forward as Arctic air plunges southward and supports the potential for widespread frozen precip later on tonight. So if you do have to get on the roads, if you absolutely have to, drive slowly. Just want to reiterate this. Drive cautiously, especially over bridges and overpasses, because those tend to freeze first with all the cold air surrounding it. Keep more distance between you and the car in front of you, because again, widespread freezing rain expected in the forecast for tonight. Watch what happens hour by hour. By about 7:30, 8 p.m. tonight, this becomes more widespread across the coastal bend. Temperatures plummet into the 20s. And notice in our far western and northwestern counties, we're looking at the potential for a few snow flurries. So between Duval County, Orange Grove, Mathis, and extending its reach all the way into B County, potentially some accumulated snow, not out of the question, closer to the coastline. However, we're looking at more of the potential for frozen precip, wintry mix, freezing rain, sleet, with temperatures plummeting into the 20s. And most of this should move out by about 6 a.m., 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and the clouds should move offshore. But notice temperatures tomorrow morning, lower 20s and into the teens. Now, how much accumulation are we talking about? About 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain. Some higher totals out to our north and east along Highway 77. And this may not sound like a lot, but this is enough to cause a big problem on the roads. Icy roads tonight, what to expect into Monday morning. If you can, cover the plants tonight, bring them in, cover any exposed pipes, drip the pipes tonight, because we are in the store for a hard freeze overnight tonight. In fact, temperatures are going to stay below freezing potentially for the next 30 hours. After about midnight tonight, temperatures go into the 20s, and our high temperature for Monday, despite sunshine, only reaches the lower 30s, maybe even below freezing. And then by Tuesday morning, we plummet to the coldest temperature in the 7-day forecast. May challenge some records in the teens early Tuesday morning. We don't warm back up until Tuesday afternoon. Now, road conditions deteriorate tonight, tomorrow morning, don't improve until Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. Okay, tomorrow's forecast: AM freezing rain, things clear out to some sunshine, but despite that, high still in the lower 30s, below freezing. North winds very gusty, 15-25 miles an hour, providing wind chills in the 20s and teens all day for the holiday. High near 44 on Tuesday, morning low of 18 degrees. Scattered rain on Wednesday with rebounding temperatures, slowly but surely back into the 70s, hopefully by this time next weekend. But again, freezing temperatures expected from tonight through early Tuesday morning. Keep it here on 3 News. We'll be right back.